Please support men's volleyball.
Kaya yung anak mo!
Kilapit. Alam bakit na nagkilapit. Alam ba't na... Di man ako artista.
Take it out. Let's take it out. Not take it out. Ano, basahin na isang ulo.
Hindi mo nga mag-gusto ng tomato. Good morning, guys. Time check. It's 6:25 and I'm gonna run. But first, I'm gonna eat. Because gutom ako. Fit check.
Wow! Dala mo pala yan.
Breakfast time. Garlic ng banisa. Suka. Hi guys. I made my coffee dahil nakatulog ako. I'm currently getting ready. Under consumption for side note, my boyfriend is under Chris Goss, so they'll be against VNS later. So yan guys, please support men's volleyball. Watch Spiker Stair, super fun siya guys. Sige. So also support Chris Goss. Later guys, after, I'm gonna shoot another video for Steam. So, sakto kasi super init. Wow. Wow. This is my favorite mascara. Dahil talagang naglalash siya. Tapos very thin lang siya. Guys, I'm planning to get a lash lift ulit. Before kasi sa Taft, nung condo days ko, may go-to talaga akong lash salon. So, yung eyelash sa baba ng Manres. Because doon naglalast talaga yung lashes ko na matagal siya nakataas. Or sa Yonoya. So, under din yun ang Manres. Malapit na yung birthday ko. Oh my gosh. Hirap. Struggle. Nakaubos na ako ng I think I have 4. So, nakaubos na ako ng isa. I only have 3 left. Ito paubos na siya. My birthday is on April 5. I'm an Aries. I'm not sure. If ako lang. Pero, pag birthday ko, nasa-stress talaga ako. Or like, nasa-sad ako. Most of the time, Holy Week siya bumabagsak. Nakakasalita ako kung 1 o'clock na. Usually, nasa province or depende. It's hard to schedule stuff with friends too. But it's a miracle because this year, I was able to schedule na with my friends. Thank you. Thank you guys for being free. I love you all. Ito, super nice siya. Tapos mura lang, super mura. Ever bilhin na. Ay, lip serum ba to? I'm not sure. Basta yung latte. See? Super base from Colorette Cosmetics.
Kaya yung anak mo!
May lalapit na Hindi ko alam sino ba ito, bakit nakikilapit. Alam, bakit nakikilapit. Alam, ba't
Namin Jude sa gabi.
Yes, we're gonna shoot here.
Go.
Wait lang, nakalimutan ko yung gagawin ko. Okay, dead man. Di man ako artista. Hindi nila ako kilala.
Yeah.
Ayoko,
Tapos,
tingnan, naiya ako sa scene. This is our food. Snack.
appetizer. Kaso walang upuan. Ayun, nagdun.
Can you take it out?
Take it out. Let's take it out, not take it out.
Take it out.
So nice.
Chewy siya. Pero, ang under din. Going to Polibo. Sige, buksan.
Para may gumawa rin ako na tayo.
Ang labas niya.
Ayun, kung basahin na isang araw lang.
Hindi yan nagbabasa, guys. Guys, this is one of my favorite books, The 7 Years and The 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. Not that, this one. 5-star. Hidden Pictures. Nasa ano ko din yan. Gusto ko yung chicken parmesan and pinagoongan. Brings me back to my intern days kasi lagi kami nasa marketplace kumakain ng friends ko.
Ayoko yan lang. Pero gusto mo itong akin. You want to try?
Sige.
Laman to. Ayoko yung kamatis. Ew.
Hindi mo nga magugustuhan ng tomato. Hi guys, we're on the way to Seba Massage. Tinanggal ko na yung makeup ko. Okay, bye guys. We're done. Antok na ko guys.